the people watching your parade? What'd you do for them?
So candy.
Good job. Okay, keep going back and forth, parade. Yeah, that's a good idea to keep throwing candy. I bet that the people at your parade are excited that you're passing out candy.
But my little one is out here on my candy. Because I'm not throwing my candy. Oh!
So you gonna eat that candy, Drew?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
At Christmas night, we are gonna sleep. And at the next Christmas morning, we'll do Christmas parade. Yay!
All right. Can you make that parade go past these animals a couple more times?
Okay. This is my day when we'll find kids. Oh, let's go get that treasure. Oh, let's go get that treasure. Oh, let's go get that treasure. They both have candy.
They both have candy?
Mine likes pink. This brown bear like pink and white bear. Yeah. Brown bear. Everybody. He likes purple. Now, I'm going to sit my little one down with some candy. With some pink candy. Hello. We're passing out candy. I got candy. What? Is everybody home for the play? Yeah. No deal. Play. Daddy got to play. That's cold, Bubba. Yeah. It means Bubba.